Hi everyone! Welcome to Yamchan Food. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make Japanese KARAAGE of Drumette, which is deep fried chicken. It's very popular that you can find it everywhere in Japan. But you can easily make it at your home as well. Alright, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First of all, sprinkle some salt on chicken and leave for 10 minutes to get rid of the smell of chicken. If you don't care about it, you can skip this step. Prepare a blend of seasonings in which to marinate the chicken. Grate the garlic. Grate the ginger. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sake. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add 1 tablespoon of grated garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Ginger is quite fibrous, so I use only ginger juice. Add 2 tablespoons of Japanese mayonnaise. Mix well. Add some black pepper. Add 2 pinches of salt. After washing the chickens, wipe off moisture from the chicken. Make a few cuts so that the meat will absorb the flavors better. Put the chicken into a bowl. Mix it up and marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Longer time is even better. Add a half cup of potato starch or cornstarch works too. Mix it well. You can check the temperature about 180 degrees by putting the chopsticks in the oil. And you can see small bubbles coming out from the chopsticks. This is the right time to fry the chicken. Fry chicken for about 3 minutes on each side until the color turns golden brown, depending on the size of your chicken. It's truly nice and crispy on the outside and juicy inside. Karaage is ready to eat. Squeeze the lemon on top and it goes with sweet chili sauce. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.